Hi, welcome to Willowbrook Apiary and Homestead. Today we're going to try our hand with an old, really old hand drill, 1/4 inch drill bit into a maple tree. If it works, we're going to put in the spigot or spile, rubber tubing, and then the rubber tubing down into our bucket. And you guessed it, it's February. We're going to try our hand at making some homemade maple syrup. So let's see if this works. We want somewhere right in here. I'm going to tighten this. And we want a slight upward angle of the drill bit. The 1/4 inch drill bit is just a tiny bit smaller than our spile. And we want to go in about 1 inch. We're getting there. This may work, Noah. It's really hard with a short handle to get really good leverage. It should be out like out here to get good leverage, but about 3/4 of an inch in. Just cleaning out the hole a little bit. So we've got our spile. This is the end that's going to go into the tree. And this end with the tapered piece just pushes the plastic tubing, just pushes onto that. A little bit of a twisting motion. We'll let it slide right on. And then once you've got it on, it's ready to tap into the tree. Couple of holes in the top of our bucket. Tubing goes through the hole, sits on top of the bucket. And now we just wait for the sap from the maple tree and run down the hose into the bucket. We check this bucket once a day until it gets really warm in the daytime, and then we're going to be checking it twice a day. And it takes about 40 gallons of sap, depending on the sugar content of your maple tree, to make 1 gallon of maple syrup. But if we can tap into this natural sweetener right in our own backyard and turn it into something that we could put on our pancakes or waffles or French toast, or in some homemade vanilla ice cream, well, that'll be awesome. Don't forget to subscribe, like these videos, turn on that notification bell if you haven't already. Our goal is to get to 100 subscribers, and we're hanging right around 70. It'll go up one and down one It keeps fluctuating from 71 to 69. Let's see if we can get another 30 subscribers and get to 100 and keep providing this content on homesteading, honeybees, rabbits, chickens, the whole 9 yards. Willowbrook Apiary and Homestead, happy bees, healthy honey. God bless.